Hi guys, I'm going to show you a Solwork spread with 6 cards. The first card will show you what is the Solwork I am being drawn at this time. Second card will show you why I am being drawn to this particular Solwork during my lifetime. Third card will show you the steps I can take to accomplish this Solwork. Fourth card will show you something difficult I will have to face during this. And the fifth card will show you how working on this will change my life. And the sixth card will show you what is the message from my soul. So I'm going to draw 6 cards shortly for the soul work I am being drawn to this. The first card I got was Ace of Swords, which is the soul work I am being drawn to do at this time. This is the card of truth. This shows that Ace of Swords is the card of truth. The truth that in life is drawing me to the soul work that I am being drawn to do at this time. Why I am being drawn to my soul work? I am going to shuffle a card to know why I am being drawn to this. 7 of Wands. 7 of Wands is a card of valor. Why I am being drawn to this soul work, which is the truth of my life, is 7 of Wands, which is valor. What are the steps I can take to accomplish this soul work? Spirit, show me what are the steps I can take to accomplish this soul work. What are the steps that I can take to accomplish this soul work? What I got was Page of Swords. Page of Swords is a small beginning. These are the steps that I need to accomplish my soul work in this physical. Now something difficult that I will have to face is Page of Wands. So both are minor things. Like the steps that I need to accomplish is Page of Swords, and the difficulties, something difficult that I will have to face while doing the sword work is Page of Wands. Both Page of Swords and Page of Wands, they are not major arcana, so the difficulties are also less. The steps that I need to take is also less. All I need to show is some valor, 7 of Wands card, while doing this sword work. Now, how working on this will change my life? I am going to draw a card to show how working on this will change my life. 9 of Cups, wish fulfillment. My life is going to change by drawing me towards wish fulfillment if I do the soul work regularly. And message from my soul is Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles shows that you need to start working as an apprentice or a trainee on your soul work, which is denoted by this Page of Pentacles energy card. So there are not very major difficulties that you may face while doing this soul work. All you need to do is to work on your soul work like how a trainee or an apprentice would start his career. So it will lead you towards your wish fulfillment, which is shown by 9 of Cups. There is no major difficulties shown if you pursue your soul work to move towards your wish fulfillment, because you are working everything based on the Ace of Swords, which is the truth card, which is the truth about your life. Okay. Now I am planning to show you a soul retrieval reading. That will be a 6 card spread. What is the look and feel of where my soul is being kept? That is the first card. Soul retrieval is the process of integrating our soul fragments by collecting it from the various soul parts or lifetimes. It could be from the current lifetime, it could be from the previous lifetimes also. Now we integrate those soul fragments or soul parts and do the soul retrieval to do the fitment of the soul for pursuing its life purpose during this current incarnation. Now I am going to take 6 cards. The first card will show you what is the look and feel of where my soul is being kept. It will show me what is the look and feel of where my soul is being kept. It's 7 of Cups. 7 of Cups is the look and feel of where my soul is being kept. 7 of Cups is a options card. You have, when you face different options in life, like say you have different career options to choose or life options to choose from, that is the look and feel of where your soul is being kept. Now what is my second card is what is my soul hiding from? When you are getting 7 of Cups card, that gives a lot of choice of career options or life options. That is what your soul, your look and feel of the soul. Now your soul is hiding from 8 of Wands. 8 of Wands is the card of communication. Your soul is hiding from communication basically. Now you look and feel if how your life is being shown different avenues of career or life options, and because your soul is basically hiding from the communication you are supposed to do. That is what the energy is showing. Now we will try to understand. This is soul retrieval, so we need further elaboration on it to understand more. How am I limited without it? How am I limited without the communication? The soul is hiding from the 8 of Wands, which is communication. Now, how am I limited without the communication? That's why you are getting to face several options in life instead of choosing one option. It could be your life purpose. Now, how am I limited without it? Show me a card. You are limited without it by 9 of Pentacles. 9 of Pentacles is the self-sufficient, prosperous, abundant, wealthy card. You are being limited without 8 of Wands, which is the communication. Because you are limited without the communication from your soul, you are being limited to lead a prosperous, abundant and self-sufficient life. Now, how can I make it safe for my soul to return? This is a soul retrieval journey. Now you are being thrown different options instead of living a prosperous, self-sufficient and abundant life. Now I am asking, how can I make it safe for my soul to return? This is a soul retrieval journey. So I am asking my soul, how can I make it safe for my soul to return back to the self-sufficient, abundant and prosperous life? What I got is 3 of Wands. 3 of Wands is a card of manifestation. So you can make it safe for your soul retrieval journey by manifesting the life that you wanted. Suppose you are wishing for a life that you have dreamt for or wished for in your early days or in your previous days. That is what you should be manifesting now instead of choosing several options in life. If you are facing different options to select from, then what you need to do is you should come out of this, you should start communication with your soul and you should start manifesting those wishes and desires shown by the Three of Wands. If you are manifesting those wishes and desires, it will make it safe for your soul to return. Now, there are two more cards. What will my life look or feel like when it has returned? What will my life look or feel like when it will look like Two of Cups? So the Two of Cups is what the Spirit is showing as to how your life will look like when the soul has returned. How can I rest integrate what has been returned to me? I am going to pull the last card to show how can I rest integrate what has been returned to me. If your life will look or feel like Two of Cups, when your soul has been returned properly, now you can best integrate what has been returned to you by using Queen of Cups. This is the queen of emotions. If you are trying to become a queen of emotions, then you will be able to return your soul to what it is supposed to be. You can go back to the Two of Cups and live a self-sufficient, abundant and prosperous life if you are following the queen of emotions, so that your life will look like Two of Cups, which will be equal sharing in a partnership or a love relationship or a marriage. So this is basically how a soul retrieval reading will look. I wanted to do a dream interpretation spread also today, as dream analysis is one of the major things that everyone faces, because sometimes we may have to note down the dreams that we have to confront our dreams. Why is there any spiritual meaning that the dream shows to you? Can we decipher some messages from the dreams that we see? How these dreams connect to my waking life? Is there something I should remember about the dream, like a course correction message or any warning messages that the Spirit is showing me using the dreams? Is there something that I should let go about the dream? These are the questions that people might have when we encounter a dream. The first thing that we need to do is to note down the dream and try to assimilate from your subconscious board toward the things that were shown in the dream. Then you can come and do a dream interpretation tarot spread. Your first card I will pull is the card to represent the dream that you have seen. You need to first assimilate what you have shown in the dream. You should probably note it somewhere, or you should have that ready with you when we do the dream analysis study. I am going to pull out a card to represent the dream. These are subconscious messages which are from your subconscious mind. I am going to pull a card to represent the dream. what I got was King of Pentacles. This card represents the dream. King of Pentacles is someone who has made and started a new venture or a project. Could be a business or a career project that you would have started, and is full of pentacles. He's full of money. Basically, he's wealthy and he's got a stable foundation with him now. Why this dream feels so intense? Probably this. I don't know. You can probably link it with the dream that you had. Why this dream is feeling so intense is shown by Queen of Cups. This is the Queen of emotions. So emotionally you might be linked to someone like a lover or a marriage partner, and for fulfilling the emotions represented by the Queen, you are trying to build a foundation, a stable foundation represented by the King of Pentacles. Now what is the spiritual meaning of the dream? Third card is what is the spiritual meaning of a dream? It's food. The spiritual meaning of a dream is jumping into the unconscious. It is simply interpreted as jumping into the unconscious. There is no specific meaning, spiritual meaning for the dream. How this dream connects to my waking life? I'm going to pull out a card. It is shown by Ace of Wands. So you have a new beginning that you are awaiting to manifest in the physical, which is denoted by the Ace of Wands card, and that is how this dream connects to your waking life. Something I should remember about the dream. I'm going to draw a card to show me something I should remember about the dream. The card I got was Eight of Wands. The card Eight of Wands is denoted by communication. These are communication wands. So something I should remember always about the dream is communication. Suppose you have a partner linked with you in the physical, who is linked to you emotionally, denoted by the Queen of Cups, then communication is something that you need to remember about the dream. Dream interpretation is always done with the help of these kind of cues or the nudges that you get from the universe. So when you take a card reading, it will help you what we need to do to course correct our lives. Something I should let go of the dream. I am asking for a card to show me something I should let go of the dream. Something I should let go about the dream. What I was getting was Four of Pentacles. So what I should let go of the dream is Four of Pentacles is suppose you are holding on tight to the pentacles you have or the money you have. That is denoted by the Four of Pentacles. So what the dream is saying is you should be letting go of any situation where you are holding on to something or any previous relationship or partnership. Then you will be able to manifest these dreams into reality. Whatever foundation you are building on, or a new project or business venture that you have started to satisfy the emotions represented by the Queen of Cups, with whom you have an emotional connection with, and manifest a new beginning in the physical, denoted by the Ace of Wands. Now, this again, there is the spiritual meaning of the dream is food, which is jumping into unconscious. So, if you are jumping into the pool of unconscious, then you will be that is the reason why you are seeing these kind of dreams. And all you need to do is remember in communication with your partner or someone whom you are sharing deep emotions with, and you should be letting go about holding on to something or any previous relationships or partnerships. I guess that was the dream interpretation spread. Hope everybody enjoyed it.